This is a third grinder, but I think it's more like a meat grinder that we got at an auction. And it's got extra heads screwed on there. They got a couple of them, 2 different kinds. I'm not sure who the maker is on this. I don't see a maker mark or anything on this.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And in today's video, 2 pieces of news.
I don't know who makes these. I don't know if it's KitchenAid. You'd think it would say it if it was. Yeah, I'm not seeing nothing on it. Nothing. But that is another grinder we have, but it's more like a food grinder. And we bought that at an auction up around Newtonia. And that's another one.